All right, hey YouTubers, my name's Gary, and today I'm going to help you out if you have a old NeatDesk scanner and you want to run the legacy NeatDesk software 5.7.1 was the latest release before NeatDesk pulled the plug on the software and removed it from their site. This took me a few hours to figure out. Hopefully it saves you some time. I recently picked up an ND1000 scanner off eBay and I was excited to use it. But the free software they have is no good, and I didn't want to pay them for cloud subscription. So here we go. Let's head out into your favorite web browser, and the first thing we need to do is download Neat Desktop Software version 5.7.1. You can use this link right here. We'll take you to this page. If this helps you out a lot, consider donating to this guy right here. And click Neat Desktop Scanner Software version 5.7.1 full. And it will begin to download 114 megabytes. The next thing we're going to need is a patch. Thankfully I found one on GitHub, so let's head over here and you can download this patch here. Right here, download the patch files. So let's download that. All right, the patch is downloaded and our installer is downloaded. And let's start by doing the installer. We're going to double click on this and say yes. Obviously, you'll want to be an administrative user for doing this. Oh, resolution is too low. Come on. And record in 720p so the text is larger. All right, here we go. While installer is running, I'll move on to the patch. We're going to want to extract this patch here. And here are the magic files. Thank you from the guy on GitHub. These files are going to be overwritten in the program files folder, and they will eliminate the prompt that comes up when you first launch the software that tries to force you to log in and basically kicks you out. So I guess we'll restart. Okay, next step. Let's make the patch. Oh, we got to finish the install, I guess. So we're not going to launch Neat yet. Okay, we're going to finish the install now. And now we need to patch the program. But before we patch the program, we're going to need to end one process. So Control-Delete, bring up your task manager, more details, and you're going to want to find one process that should be running here, Neat Startup Service 32-bit. Where'd it go? Here it is. Okay, we got to kill this thing because if we don't, it won't let us overwrite all of the files we need to overwrite. So we'll hit end task and it's gone. Make sure it's gone. LMNOP. Okay. All right. So now let's go to downloads. Neat 5.7 patch. I already extracted it. Take these three files here, right click, copy. Now we're going to go to /program files x86 /neat/exec, and we will paste. We will say replace the files in the destination and administrative privileges. Yes. There we go. Okay, we're almost there. So now we can launch the software. And we name our cabinet, my cabinet. Click finish. Okay, you won't get that error. I'm just getting that error because I'm on a virtual machine, so all right, you should get that screen there. Setup complete. Your Neat software is now ready to use. Click OK. You're going to get this window here, and you might get startled at this point thinking you are stuck in a loop again. I just clicked on the X here and said yes, and it just worked. So I guess the patch takes care of that and prevents that from kicking you out of the program as well. This page will try to load and it will just be filled with errors because it's trying to reference a bunch of stuff online that's been taken down. So I'll just say no over and over again until I finally get out of here and can close it. At this point now, you can plug in your scanner and scan and it will work. So enjoy NeatDesk 5.7.